So guys, if you are tired of blowing account,
this video is for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can drive your dream car and also how you can travel all around the world enjoying forex profits. And you'll be able to do all this just from this 5-minute time frame using this powerful strategy that most forex mentors are secretly using and keeping away from you. Right now, we currently have a trade, so I'm going to enter the trade. Let's use 0.1 as our low size trading gold, and you can see we're getting into profits immediately. Right here, I'm going to enter as many trades as possible, and if you're wondering how it's actually possible to actually enter as many trades as I want, this is because I'm using a good broker. So if you also want to enter as many trades as you want so that you can be able to make the profits that actually deserve, open your account using the link in the video description and trade with this same broker that I'm using right now. Now, let me show you how you can actually make money with this actual strategy step by step. Yes, we're going to be finding our trades on the 5-minute time frame, but first you have to go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you're going to see everything that the market is doing on a bigger picture. Let's look what is happening right there. $80 in profits right now, just a few seconds into this actual trade. This is actually looking good, $100 already. I hope you are seeing how powerful this actual strategy is. And if you also want to make up to $150 with this actual strategy, pay close attention to what I'm about to share with you right now. First, you want to see the direction that the 4-hour time frame is going. When you see that the 4-hour time frame is going up just like this for a very long time, just know that there's an opportunity for the market to actually come back down just like it did to this moving average. But before you actually enter your trades randomly, first you want to see a big red candle just like this one, which is actually bigger than the previous 2 or 3 candles to show you that the market is actually coming down with bigger pressure. When that happens, you want to jump back down to the 5-minute time frame because this is the time frame that you're going to be trading on. On the 5-minute time frame, you want to confirm that the market is really actually going the opposite direction just like you want it to do. And you do that by looking at the blue moving average. It must be below the black moving average. This blue moving average is an 8 moving average, and then this black moving average is the 16 moving average. Also, you want to see the market shooting sharply just like what is happening on these candles to show you that the down pressure is even more. But you must always remember, it doesn't just go down in one direction for a very long time. It actually has a pause just like this one where the market will be moving up and down, and this is actually your gift from God to actually make money on this actual trade. So you want to pay close attention to what the market is doing. Right here you can see the market coming back to the moving average, forming a high and then coming back. And now if you look closely on these lows, you can actually see this second low is actually higher than this previous low, which means there is something very similar like an uptrend being formed right here. And you can actually confirm it when the market starts to go up, forming this actual high, which is now higher than this one that you have right here. But a very important thing to note is that if you look closely on the moving averages, these moving averages hasn't crossed yet, which actually means that the market is still in a downtrend. But what is happening right here is just a retracement or a breather of the market actually taking a pause to this actual downtrend that is here right here. And right here, this is where you take this actual trend line starting from this first low and then going to this second higher low and then extending it. Then also take another one. This one, you're putting it at the highs starting from this first high right here, then going to this second one. And just by looking at this, you can actually see we have something looking like a flag. So this flag is actually a pattern that happens on the charts, and the market will now extend going in the same direction of this first leg that you have on this actual pattern. So right now, you have to measure from the highest point where the market actually started this whole drop to come exactly to this actual low, which actually formed this actual flag. And right now, you're waiting for the market to actually break this actual low of this actual flag. And that happens exactly right here with a big red candle, just like you want it to do because when you have a big red candle closing just like this, it shows you that the down pressure or the sellers are really in control. So as soon as this actual candle closes, this is exactly where you want to enter sell trades from this red candle, targeting for the market to actually go down. And now look what happened afterwards. The market shoots down exactly in the direction that you want it to go. Then for your exit, you want to take where you measured from the high to the low to actually extend it from where the breakout actually happens. And if you look closely, you can actually see it going down exactly to where the market is right around here. So what will happen is that the market right here must go down the same distance of this actual arrow to the lowest point. But for you, you don't want to be exiting your trade exactly at the lowest point where the market will actually turn, because if you're slow, the market can turn quickly, and if it does that, you end up losing your profits. So to be safe, that is when you now use this trade moving average that you see right at the bottom here. This black moving average that you have at the bottom is the 300 moving average, and on this actual strategy, it is acting as our take profit level. So now you have to wait for the market to get exactly to this moving average. As soon as it does that, exit your trade immediately, because now the market is about to turn and go the opposite direction. Right now, when the market starts to go up, this is where it takes us to the trade that I showed you earlier. Right now, you're just reversing the rules that you used when the market was going down, which means the first thing that you want to see is the blue moving average going above the black moving average, just like it did right here. Then also, you want to start to see the market retracing, forming lower highs and lower lows. So right now, you draw a trend line at the top and also another one at the bottom to actually map up a proper flag just like this one. Then after that, you want to wait for the market to push through and break out of this actual flag just like it did right here, and then enter your trades immediately. And this is exactly how you make money from a 5-minute time frame, by using the 4-hour time frame as the main key for a direction of where you're going to be entering your buy trades and also where you're going to be entering your sell trades. And for you to never blow your trading account, you will need confirmations from the moving average and also breakouts outside of this actual flag to actually know that the market is actually going in the direction that you want it to go. Now comment below, what do you think about this actual strategy? Do you think that it's possible for you to actually drive your dream car using a strategy like this, or this whole strategy is pure bogus? Comment below what you think. And also, if you want more powerful strategies just like this one that I've given you today, like the pin bar trading strategy and also the Fibonacci trend line strategy, click the last link in this video description, which will take you to mobile forex, free strategies and free signals, and you'll be able to get all these strategies for free. This is mobile forex. Bye for now.